Welcome guys, so in this video I want to show you guys how to connect your seed wallet to your SWI wallet. So right now we are asked to connect our SWI wallet to our seed wallet, to our seed, because seed will be launching on the SWI network. So if you come over and tap on play here, you'll be prompted to take you to their dashboard. So this is my value. So you have to go to this wallet section here. So when we go here, it's going to take us here. So at this point we'll see we are asked to connect our SWI wallet. So right now this does not work for phone. It doesn't work for phone, it only works for laptop. So what you're going to do is this: you're going to find someone's laptop you can use. At the moment I'm making the video, it doesn't work on the phone. So you're going to go to your extension. If you're using a laptop, go to your Chrome store and download the SWI wallet. So that's what I'm using. Where is the SWI wallet? So this is what I downloaded. Then import your wallet and make sure you save the seed phrase in case. So when you're done, you then go here and tap on connect SWI wallet. When you tap on connect to SWI wallet, it will prompt you to this. So you're going to then connect to your wallet. So I'm going to tap on connect to link my SWI wallet to my seed. So if you don't do this, you're not going to get your seed. They might burn it or just send it out because you have no wallet connected to it. And SWI is no longer launching on TENEO network. Seed is no longer launching on TENEO network, is now on SWI. So you have to do this for you to get your SWI. And let's go to your Telegram, and from their latest announcement, they said, where is it? They said, big news, seed farm. The moment you have been waiting for is here. Mark your calendar, set your alarm and spread the word. The listing date is locked in, 1st of April. So we don't know if that's the listing date for real, so we don't know. So guys, I just want you guys to be on a safe side. So they said, okay, when I'm done connecting, they said this wallet will be linked to your account and cannot be changed. Are you sure you want to proceed? Tap on confirm. So I'm going to sign in. And guys, I want to show you something again. So I want to show you guys a price projection of what SWI could be listing at. So my wallet is successfully linked. So I want to show you guys a kind of a pre-market listing of what you should expect from this. So if you come over here, you see that 8 SWI is equivalent to 200 seed. 8 SWI is equals to 200 seed, which is wow. So like this a month bank that is completely running. So I don't know how much I'm going to sell it, but I don't really have the money to buy this now. I'm not thinking of buying it, but this 8 SWI is equals to 200 seed. So where's my calculator? Let's calculate this. Calculation is supposed to be 200 divided by 8, that is 25. So this is going to give us 25 USDT if actually is going to follow this process. So for someone who has like 200, so this will be like the value. So I don't know if it's worth it or it's not worth it. Currently I really have 617. So yeah, they really fall my hand, because I was not even expecting a whole seed to like do this to me, because I was expecting that when they are done, they'll just list. Later they started telling us, they started prolonging the issues, and from what we had is only KuCoin, the only exchange that they are about to list them. So I don't know what other exchange might be coming in the following days. At the moment I'm making this video, there's no exchange talking about them for now. So and then we hope that good news will come out. So if this is your first time watching my video, please do not fail to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post videos you get notified. And please, I have a community down in the description group. You can go there and join. Please, you joining will be of great importance and great use to me. Alright.